You might be thinking, isn't Telegram just another messaging app? Well, it's much more than that. It's packed with opportunities to earn serious cash, and today I'll walk you through the 5 most popular methods that require zero experience or investment. I'll also share step-by-step instructions on how to get started, so stick with me until the end. My name is Charles. Let's dive in. The first and the most popular way to make money on Telegram is through Telegram channels. Just think of Telegram channel as a one-way chat room where only you, the owner, can post content, and it's more like having your own personal blog or news feed, and your subscribers can read, react, and comment on your posts. Now, what makes this so powerful is once your channel grows to about 1,000 subscribers, it starts to attract advertisers who are willing to pay you for your audience. They are willing to pay for that exposure. For example, channels that focus on education, science, or technology can earn anywhere from $1 to $20 per ad post. Now, just imagine having multiple channels, each with a strong following. You could be pulling multiple or significant income just by posting few ads. Creating a Telegram channel is incredibly easy, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First, what you need to do is to open your Telegram app and go to the chats section at the bottom of the screen. At the upper right corner, just click on the pencil icon and then select new channel. You need to enter your name of a channel and the description, and then upload a profile picture. Next, you'll choose whether you want your channel to be public or private. If you choose public, you need to create a custom link for easy access. After that, you can invite your contacts to join as your initial subscribers, or you can just skip that step and start afresh. And just like that, your channel is up and running. But creating a channel is just the beginning. The real work lies in growing your subscriber base. There are both paid and free methods to do this, which I'll be sharing with you. But let's start with some of the free strategies that can really make a difference. One highly effective method is leveraging traffic spillover from platforms like TikTok. Now, TikTok's algorithm is excellent at promoting content based on user preferences. So if you create engaging TikTok videos that align with your Telegram channel's topic, you can attract a targeted audience who is likely to be interested in your content. For example, if your Telegram channel is about video games, you could create short TikTok clips featuring gameplay tips or game news, and then encourage your viewers to join your Telegram channel for more in-depth discussions or exclusive updates. Another powerful strategy for gaining subscribers is mutual promotion. Now, this involves partnering with other Telegram channels that cover similar topics and have a similar number of subscribers. You don't want to go and put a channel that has way or 10 times more subscribers than you have, right? You and other channel owners can agree to promote each other's channel by exchanging posts. This is a win-win situation because you both get the exposure to any audience, which can help grow your subscriber base and increase engagement. Now, for example, if you have a channel about cryptocurrency news, you might partner with another channel focused on blockchain technology. By cross-promoting each other's content, you can tap into an audience that's already interested in related topics. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not an expert in any field. I don't have social media following. I'm not sure how to start. I don't know how to go around this. Here's the good news. You don't need to have any of that to get started. All you need is to find a subject or a topic you are passionate about. It could be anything about video games, movies, TV series, or even a hobby like cooking or fitness. Let's say you're really into video games and you decide to start a Telegram channel or group focused on gaming news. Even if you spend most of your time watching movies or relaxing playing games, you've probably built a lot of knowledge about actors, storylines, gameplay, how the whole gaming thing works, and that could be valuable information that you can share with others who have similar interests. And believe me, there are tons of people out there who are looking for that kind of content. They want to interact with content like that. For example, let's say you have a Telegram group that focuses on the latest news in the video game industry. You can easily find the latest updates and news by visiting websites like ea.com, where you see articles like this. So if you go to ea.com and you scroll down here, you can see here that there are different articles that are here. All right. Now, what you can do is to maybe click on any of these, click on this and then share this article to your Telegram group, and then allow your members to comment and share their thoughts. Now, what you're doing is creating a space for free speech and open discussion, and people absolutely love that. But of course, there's a bigger purpose behind all of this. We are trying to build a community. We are building a community that we can eventually monetize. Now, once you've built up your community and gathered enough members, it is time to start monetizing your Telegram group. And the first method is through Telegram ads. Now, unlike other ad formats that can be intrusive and very annoying, Telegram ads are designed to be subtle and to blend seamlessly with the content of the channels. They appear under the last message in the channel and consist of short text without images. Now, this makes them less disruptive for users and more appealing for advertisers. To make money from Telegram ads, just go to this website, go to telega.io, and this is how it works. Telega.io has two sections, one for advertisers and the other one is for channel owners, and that's where we all concentrate on. All right, we are channel owners, right? And the average income from selling advertising in Telegram channels can be an extra $500 per month, or even more than that. Now think about that, $500 in your pocket for virtually no work other than maintaining your group and allowing advertisers to place their ads. We are just getting started. All right, now if you scroll down here, you can see here that you can select the topics that you talk about. Maybe you talk about, let's say you talk about news, offers, promotion, pets, trading, sports, real estate, and let's look for gaming. There should be things like gaming, computer, cryptocurrencies, earnings, so video games. Yeah, this is it, video games. Now we can see we have selected video games. Let's say your channel talks about video games and all that, and you can see the estimated income that you're gonna be making every month for the number of subscribers. Now this is not bad. If you have 50,000 subscribers, you'll be making $255 per month if you sign up of this platform. Now if you scroll down, let's say you have just 7,000 subscribers, or let's put it at a round figure of 10,000 subscribers, you'll be making around $50 per month. And this is just, you're not doing anything. All right, this is great. You're not doing anything. And channels like this are easy to grow. All right, channels like this are easy to grow. And let's say you grow this channel up to about 1 million subscribers, you'll be earning about $5,000 per month. Okay, so just like I said in the past, all you need to do is just to grow your channel and you'll begin to earn more as a channel owner. All right, now I'm just getting started. There are other exciting ways to earn money on Telegram. Now, another way to earn money is through crypto games. Now, they are simple tab-based games where you can earn in-game currency by completing tasks or participating in gameplay. Now, these games have become incredibly popular due to their ease of play and potential to earn real money. For instance, games like Hamster Combat, Notcoin have attracted millions of users because they are not just only fun, but also offer real earning potential. And the best part is that these games don't require any real money investment, just your time and your effort. And one particular promising game is Tap Swap. I know this is popular, where you just tap a coin to top up your balance, which gradually increases your league ranking. The game's algorithm rewards you for tasks like subscribing to a YouTube channel or finding a digital code in a video, and you can use the coins you collect to enhance your gameplay and increase your earnings. Now, if managing your own channel or playing games isn't just your thing, don't worry, there are other ways or plenty of ways that you can make money on Telegram without owning a channel. One great option is providing services to existing Telegram channels. This might involve offering several projects on Telegram or even across multiple social networks. For instance, you can offer administration services. Now, this might involve managing several projects on Telegram or even across multiple social networks. As an admin, your responsibilities would include writing posts, moderating comments, communicating with advertisers, and ensuring that your channel runs smoothly. Now, depending on your experience, this role can pay anywhere from $500 to several $1,000s a month, and this is more like a side job that you can do. Another option is content creation, specifically content writing for Telegram channels. Now, Telegram is a text-heavy platform, and there's always a demand for high quality engaging content, whether it's crafting posts, writing scripts, or developing marketing copy. This is a job for you that you can do on a freelance basis or as a full-time gig. I remember the last time I was trying to set up a Telegram community, I got to find someone that would write Telegram posts for my members, and as of that time, the person was charging about $500 in a month. The person told me that his charge for a week is around $150. So in a month, it skies up to over $500. So experienced copywriters can earn good money, especially if they have a portfolio with successful cases and positive feedback from clients. Now, writing for channels can be particularly lucrative if you specialize in niches like technology, finance, or lifestyle, where there are constant demand for fresh and relevant content. Now, let's take this a step further. If you're looking to diversify your income streams, consider doing affiliate marketing and CPA, which is cost per action offers. Now, CPA offers are a type of affiliate marketing where you get paid whenever someone completes a specific action, such as signing up for a newsletter or downloading an app. So websites like cpagrip.com are a great places to find CPA offers. For example, you might find an offer that pays you $2.5 every time someone enters your email for a chance to win a laptop. Now, if you have 1,000 subscribers on your Telegram channel and just 10% of them complete that offer, that's an extra $250 in your pocket with minimal effort. All right, so this is cpagrip.com. If you come down to cpagrip.com and register, you'll be able to see several offers. You'll be seeing tools and stuff that you can use to make money on Telegram via CPA offers. All right, now let's say you've built a strong following in a specific niche like technology or finance. You can also partner with affiliate networks like shareasale.com, okay, or digistore24.com. This is shareasale.com. All you have to do is just to navigate to their affiliate section and then sign up, create your account, and you become an affiliate, or go to digistore24.com and set up an account, and there are lots of digital products that you can promote without creating products. Now, the great thing about affiliate marketing is you don't have to create affiliate products. All you have to do is just to promote other people's digital products, okay? Digital or physical products. But Digistore24 focuses on digital products. So if you sign up here as an affiliate, you'll be able to promote other people's digital products. Now, creating a digital product might take your time. You might not have the experience or the expertise, but by being an affiliate, you get to make money from selling other people's products. And let's say you've built a Telegram channel with like 1,000, 3,000 followings or 5,000 followings of people who are into crazy health, fitness and stuff like that. What you have to do is just go into digistore24.com and promote products regarding to health, fitness, post it on your channel along with a value or some sort of value that you're adding, and you're going to get results from that. You're going to get sales from that, obviously. Okay, now another platform that you can look into is Amazon affiliates. If you want to be an affiliate to promote products, which a lot of people are doing, okay, which it is very easy for you to do, go to Amazon affiliates, affiliateprogram.amazon.co.uk, and sign up, find products related to your niche and share your link, your unique link, and you're going to earn 12% in commission from those purchases. All right, now Amazon affiliate commission is really low. It's just about 12%, but for Digistore and Share a Sale, you can get up to 60-70% commission for promoting a product, which is absolutely generous. For example, if your channel focuses on tech review, if you decide to promote affiliate links to gadgets and software, earning a percentage for each sale, that is a great deal. And we know softwares or tech products like laptops or phones are close to $1,000, and let's say the percentage is about 10% or 12% or 15%, you know you're just making $100 or $150 or $80 per sale or per person that visits that link and buys that product. So this is a great way to monetize your content. All right, monetize your audience without needing to create your products or services yourself. But that's not all. Telegram also offers opportunities in the world of NFTs. Websites like Rarity.tools track upcoming NFT drops and collections, giving you the chance to get in early on potential hits. Now, many of these NFT projects have associated Telegram groups where you can join and participate in discussions. Now, listen, you can take discussions from there into your own personal channel. All right, if you talk about related topics, okay, and you know, if you do your research and find a promising project, you can potentially flip NFTs for a profit. Now, this is more of a speculative method, but it has a potential to give significant returns if you pick the right projects. Just remember to do your due diligence, as the NFT space can be risky with many projects failing to deliver on their promises. So whether you're managing channels with writing content, playing crypto games, promoting CPA offers, flipping NFTs, or running ads, the opportunities are endless. The beauty of Telegram is that it allows you to leverage on the audience that you have, the audience that you've built, and turn it into a business. All right, like I said, the key is to find what works for you, put in the effort, and stay consistent. And with the right approach and mindset, Telegram can be a productive, a steady, profitable income for you. My name is Charles. If you've not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button. There are a lot of helpful videos on this channel. And like I said, if you've gotten value from this video, just drop a comment in the comment section saying crypto telegram on the comment section. And I'm going to see you on this video right here.